Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my gel nails at home. We are going to be doing a mermaid inspired manicure. I just wanted to start out with saying that I am not a licensed esthetician, or not esthetician, what am I talking about? I am not a licensed nail technician. So everything that I show you in this video is how I personally do my nails. It's just things that I've learned from getting my own nails done at the salon and also from watching YouTube videos. So if I do something that is wrong, I'm sorry. You can let me know down in the comments. But yeah, so here I'm showing you guys that I had acrylic nails a while back. So some of my nails have a little bit of discoloration because of the filing from the acrylic nails, but it's completely fine because it's growing out. So I just take a very nice fine grit file and just buff the nail plate. Just be very gentle. You don't want to file too much, and you don't want to hurt yourself. And this is just going to help the nail polish stick to your finger, and it's going to help to make your nail polish last a lot longer. So here I have a cotton ball with some acetone, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean my nails from all of that nail filing residue, and also this is going to help to get any oils out of my nails so that the base can stick on better. Here I have a cuticle stick. Now I don't really cut my cuticles all that often. Usually I'll just push my cuticle back. I don't know. I don't really even know the last time that I cut my cuticles. They don't grow too much, so they're not really a problem for me. But if you do decide to cut your cuticles, this would be the time to do so. These cuticle sticks are so handy, and you can buy them in bulk at pretty much any drugstore. So this is a lamp that I use. I bought this off of Amazon. I believe it was one of the most affordable options, and I didn't really know what to look for when purchasing the lamp, but this one had really good reviews, and I've had it for almost a year, and so far it's been really amazing, so I'm really happy with it. Here is my base coat. It is by the brand Gel Lin, and this came in a kit with a top coat. I bought that off of eBay, and I've really liked them both so far. They're really good. And they were also very affordable too. So when painting on your nail polish, especially for gel polish, you want to do thin coats, and you want to go up to the cuticle, but you don't want to actually touch the cuticle. And by not touching the cuticle with your nail polish, it is going to prevent any lifting, which can be annoying as your nails grow out. So remember, just thin coats, and don't touch the cuticle with the nail polish. So my base coat on the bottle, it says to do 60 seconds in the lamp, so that's what I do. And if you accidentally get any gel polish on your skin, you can use a cuticle stick to just remove that. You don't want to get any gel polish on your skin and cure it, because then it just sticks on. It's annoying, and it's probably not good for your skin either. So this is the color that I'm going to be using. It is called Don't Be So Ansel. It is the brand FP, I think. I'm not really sure, but I bought this at Sally's, and it's more of like a pinky nude color. So again, very simple, just thin layers. I do 2 layers of this, and then I cure each of the layers for 30 seconds. So then I take this color. It's not really a color, it's more like glitter top coat or something like that. It's by the brand ASP. They're just tiny glitters, and I just love how this looks. I feel like it's very dainty just because of how tiny these glitters are. So I put them on my thumb, my middle finger, and my pinky. In the end, I ended up just putting them on all of my fingers, but right now I thought I was going to do a certain design, and then I decided not to. So I put that polish on my nails, and I did not cure it. So this is uncured polish. And so then I take these cute little gems that I also found at Sally's, and they're like they're sea inspired gems. So there are little seashells and pearls and little blue gems, and they're just so cute. So I just arranged them onto my nails how I wanted them. And again, the layer of glitter is not cured, so it's still fluid, it is not dry yet, and that is how I'm going to stick these gems onto my nails. So I cured that glitter base, I cured that for 30 seconds, and so the gems are nice and on there. It feels like they're not going to come off, but I'm not going to trust that because I know that they will come off if I just leave them like that. So I'm going to put a top coat on it. But here is what I was telling you guys about how I thought I was going to do a different design. I ended up not liking how the other glitter looked on my nails, because I was going to do a different glitter on my pointer finger and my ring finger. So in case this happens to you and you want to remove any layer of uncured polish off of your nails, all you do is you just take a cotton ball or a cotton pad with some alcohol and remove that. That is one great thing about gel, is that if you want to remove a certain layer, you can remove it as long as it's not cured. And you definitely cannot do that with polish, because if you try to do that with polish and acetone, it's just going to remove everything and you're going to have to start all over. Now I'm going to take my top coat and I'm just going to put this all over each of my nails. I would use a top coat always on any gel manicure, but especially for this, this is just going to help the gems stick on. And as you can see, I go around each of the gems to make sure that they're nice and covered. And honestly, these gems last on here for forever and they do not fall off. And I know 100% that with nail polish, these gems would not even last a day, even if I used a regular nail polish top coat. They would just not last, but with gel they do. So that is one great plus of gel polish. So when it is cured, this gel and top coat does not get sticky. So all I do is cure it for 30 seconds and I'm good to go. But I know that some top coats do get sticky when you cure them. So to remove any stickiness, you want to take a cotton ball or a cotton pad with some alcohol and wipe your nails, and then you will be ready to go. To finish off my manicure, I just use some mango cuticle oil, and this smells so good. I got this from Sally's and I just put them on my cuticles and it just hydrates them, especially from all of the alcohol and acetone that I used. So yeah, I just massage this to my cuticles and then it is all done. I hope you guys like this video and I hope that you learned something. I hope that it was entertaining. I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.